Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiAntasy.com and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 2020 Batman group build that we have going on at HobbyLinkInternational.com. And if you're curious about it, I'll have a link in the description below with the exact rules and a cover photo. This way, if you make any YouTube videos, you can use that and put it on. So this year's 2020 group build for Batman is going to be anything in the Batman universe or alternate universes, from the original TV show, the movies, comic books, anything like that. You can't make a what if Batman car or boat, nothing what if at all. It actually has to be from some sort of Batman universe. The build is going to last all year long, so there's not a problem with that. And we already have a few people that had finished up theirs. And at the end of the year, we'll do a slideshow and put it on the YouTube channel. Plus, anybody that does finish it will have their build put up on the main site as an article, so we don't lose it in the group or down the wall or something like that. We hope you come to the community and join up over there. This way you can be a part of that while you're doing your build. If not, you can just join the build if you want to. If you have any friends that are interested in it, please pass this video along, or the rules or something like that, and let them know about the community. I'll have more videos up this week with our other group builds, so you now know about those. So that's pretty much it for tonight. I hope you guys have a great night. Take care, and bye-bye.